The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
And that's good man. Good man, good girl. Watch good girl. Watch good girl. No, hell no. Watch good girl. That's how woman for. Hey, that's how woman for help them, man.
You can see, you know that?
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
You can see.
They can see me doing that.
Yes, they can see. It's not that dark.
Why the hell would you do that?
I was gonna comment her.
Yes, girl. Help your man.
For no fat for no.
Help your man. Help your man. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Yes, good girl.
On a real, viewers and subscribers, I do not see anything wrong with a woman helping out a man by pushing a man's motor vehicle in order to get it started or whatsoever. No, I do not see anything wrong with that. You see me I say? I might be surprised to know that the motor vehicle is the woman's one. Maybe she's the owner of that motor vehicle. You see me? Anyways, whether the man is her husband or not, or whether the man is her boyfriend or not, or even if the man is just a friend, I still do not see anything wrong with a female pushing a motor vehicle in order to help a man get his motor vehicle started. I still do not see anything wrong with that. You see me I say? In my point of view, I think she's a good woman. So big her up. You see me I say? Yeah, and big up the person who recorded the video, because if the person didn't record the video, I wouldn't be here talking about it. You see it? Alright, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall, skilla. I'm there again, you see it? Alright, so I have more videos I'm going to present to you. But before I present more videos to you, I'm going to talk to you about two pictures that are circulating on social media. You see it? Now, this picture is right here. This picture is circulating on social media where it is said that a woman pleads guilty to robbing bank for money to do plastic surgery. Yeah, this picture right here. Right there, see it? I read a news article about the whole situation, you see. I can't quite remember if the person pleaded guilty to robbing one or more than one banks for money to do plastic surgery. However, it is said that the person had been sentenced to 15 years each to 2 counts of robberies. It is said that those sentences will run concurrently, so the person will only spend 15 years in prison, yes I may say, and the person is said to be a transgender woman. Some news, eh? Yeah, and it is said that the banks that had been robbed, it is said that those banks are located somewhere within the country that is known as United States of America, you see? Anyways, I'm just let you know about the picture and the whole situation. You see me? You can let me know what you think about that, alright? Now, this picture you see right here. This picture shows some akis. In my point of view, not a lot, but the picture shows some akis in a parcel. You see me? And if you look at the parcel shown in the picture, you see the name of a supermarket and you see a price on it. Me nah pay so much money for such a little bit of aki. That the aki the last in the saltfish if me decide to cook some ackee and saltfish. You see me? Especially if me go cook ackee and chicken back. That a little bit of ackee the last night. You see me? Yeah. Hey, me love my chicken back, you know. Me no care when nobody wants to say no. Me no care who wants to say, who appear bone that and rate. Listen me. Yes, when me cut up that the chicken back the fine. And when me deep fry it like and get it to a certain crisp. I'ma cook me ackee. And then me strain out the water and then me put them together and you know the seasoning go on all them things, you know the honey and the scallion and the pepper and so I set that. Hey, real Jamaican chef know me I talk about. You see me can't bother to explain everything. You see me I say? See? Yeah, and when you buy a chicken back, you know so chicken back come with oil. See? Yeah man. So before me spend that amount of money go buy such a little bit of ackee, I rather go somewhere on the roadside go buy ackee from some vendor selling ackee out there. You see me? Yeah, can get all a dozen ackee for that price. You understand me? You see me? Most ackees, when you pick them off of the tree, are 3 ackees coming in most ackee pod. Right? So a dozen ackee, you know that go already. If each of them come by a tree, that's about 36 ackee me can get for the same price I go pay for that. If you say, yo, You know what? Let me know what you think about that picture. I left it right there. You see me? Yeah, man, I see that picture sometime from about last year. I see that picture. Anyways, let me know what you think about that picture. Alright, so I'm going to move on to more videos, viewers, and subscribers. You see me? Now, I am going to present some videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to tell me which one of these videos you think is the funniest video out of all of these videos that I'm about to present to you. You see it? I'm going to put a number in front of each video so that you'll be able to identify the video that you think is the funniest. You see me? Yeah, I'm going to put number 1, then a video, number 2, then a video, number 3, then a video, and so on. And the video that you think is the funniest, you just leave the number that you see in front of that video in the comment section of this video. And I'll be able to identify which video that you think is the funniest. Alright, so before I present these videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe. You see that a while ago? You see that? You see that a while ago? Huh. Police are relax. Man, I relax, what you mean?
How much I pay for my lad? You bumbo cat. Watch your man. Yo, me I forget one. Me say she was body of fuck.
That's all you know do, I don't know yourself in that.
That dangerous. That dangerous. The funniest video to me out of all is number 3. You see me? Yeah, me give number 3. You see me? I say, yeah, number 2, the man look like a frightening to me. You see me? I say, you know, and he could have hurt himself too. You see me? So, yeah, number 3 me get, you know? Yeah, number 3 me get. You see? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female saying some things about a person. The reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media and this video is circulating on social media. This video shows a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she regrets having sex with a person. She went on to say other things about the person and said other things as well, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to tell you from right now that some harsh languages have been used in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Woo, me dey lie in my bed like piece of plywood. And I reflect back on who my fuck and I hate myself. Yeah. I feel like I'ma get up now and buy a buckle of pick up and throw it in my and beat it and put some sense in it. Yeah. I must come to help us pussy me have make me lie down and girl certain man my front. Cause look on all duppy stoplight. Duppy stoplight should have never know what color draws me wear. No, mount a girl down a Vietnam refuse that the man there and me take him up. Now if you come to help us pussy me have, when you give some man Like them the little pussy now and them I go take liberty like them in a class and category. And when him a kiss me, him have to put in him blood clot teeth, and when him done kiss me and fuck out my hole, him take them out and throw them up on him dresser. Me can't bother with them blood clots, suck me a yarn, man. All me I tell him say, put your teeth them in a drinking glass with little salt water in it him not here. Me I ask Jesus and God and him 35 disciple them, please. Now make my one them drop out right now, cause me nah go want see how me look. Yeah, sometimes song I look on duppy stoplight, yeah, me in my mind, and what me I do ya so? But true me done there already, me just go and help him out and give him some fuck. And ball live in the water and tell him say me love him. Love what? Tell you no all the while say woman a Delilah, woman a blood clot, wicked and woman a Judas. And you don't hear. You understand? You think, hey, I say me regret the day. Duppy stoplight, I go look on me, nice, clean me. And I go tell me, say me I live dog life like him never know say it's a dog life. It's a dog life live him the blood clot take up. Eh? Right now, what him refuse the next man treasure. I don't care what people want to say about me, you know. I'm a find a man right now with duck up underneath me like sheep. As some me know say as do me fuck enough man goodness still there. I'm still a blaze. And right here so me a stop. Yeah, come on now go this the man that I have now. Couple months from now I'm gonna be married. And when I'm married, I'm gonna send the picture them will give up his stoplight, make him look at it. Cause me couldn't go in front of one pastor with up his stoplight, you know. Cause I know the pastor that run me out of church and tell me if I go seek Jesus. But the blood clot do some man. It's sorry for them and give them little pussy them go like them want to take liberty. Eh? My friend did tell me one time say, I'm not gonna go there. All me I go do, beat sense in my pussy.
Alright, and that's what I'm gonna left with viewers and subscribers, you know? Yeah, me not gonna judge nobody. You see me I say, that final video right there, I think she's just venting. So me I say, yeah, I think the person is just venting, so I'm not going to say much about it. So big up the person shown in that video, and let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video, and the pictures as well. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know? Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.